Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? This is my everyday helmet that I ride most of the time. Short trips, work trips, beer store run, you name it. It's very comfortable, it's light, it's low profile, so that's why I like it. The name of this one in particular is Terminator. It's DOT certified, so I would urge you guys to make sure that these beanies that you get they're certified. Many of them, if you get them at the bike shows, they might not be certified, so watch out for that. This helmet is made by For All Bikers and it's glass black. Again, the name is Terminator. I'll put the link in below. Anyway, if you like the helmet, you like the video, click the like button, then don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.